Hey everyone, a few months back I picked up this clear shower liner by Barossa, and if you follow my channel you know I'm pretty strategic when it comes to buying things, even when it comes down to a shower curtain liner. So the extra feature here are these magnets on the bottom of the liner which will stick to your tub as long as your tub is of a ferrous metal. You're able to pick up this liner in a few different sizes. The one I have here I think is a typical household size, 71 inches in width, 72 inches in length, to make sure that it covers down into the actual tub. I'm also thinking longevity here, so these also come with metal grommets at the top where you hang it onto your hooks. The one I picked up here is completely transparent, and it's also a medium gauge, I would say. There's some really light liners, and then there are some really heavy gauge liners. I think this is just something in between. And installation was really easy, also thanks to those metal grommets. Because of the medium gauge, it's pretty easy to pull it out and also to scrunch it down to one side. So here's what it looks like fully installed. On the inside, you can see those are the magnets there on the bottom. Now my tub is actually not metal, which I found out after buying this, but I don't regret my purchase because the magnets on the bottom actually also helps to weigh it down a little bit better. But of course, if your tub is magnetic, this would be even better. It just would directly stick right to your tub. Now in terms of cleaning, I've used this for a little over 3 months now, and I really haven't had to really manually clean this. And as you can see, it's still nice and clear, no hint of yellowing, at least right now anyways, which tends to be the case with these kind of clear plastics. But if you needed to clean it, they recommend only using a damp cloth, so don't machine wash. So if you never had magnets in your shower curtain liner, I can tell you it's a game changer. You can make sure that the liner covers the entire tub opening. I'm sure this is also great for parents with kids, so they can make sure that the liner is fully closed every single time. And altogether, it doesn't hurt the piggy bank too much. So if you guys are interested, as usual, I have the link in the description for you guys to check out. Thanks for watching.